It's just been a great team effort by everyone, and what a community. I mean, what a great group of people, cars. I don't know what we could have possibly done and got a better result today.
I appreciate everybody for coming out on behalf of BBS and everybody else. These events don't mean anything without all you guys. And you guys are all amazing. I love the spirit. I love the diversity of cars, people. And this is what it's about. So I'm really humbled and honored to be a part of this inaugural year of BBS with Craig and the rest of the BBS teams. Without further ado, here are the awards. But could you please enlighten us on how you guys, what was the process like?
That is a great question. It was 99% vibes and 1% technical. But drum roll, please. The winner is Adam with the G-Body 1985 911. Adam, congratulations. The non-BBS winner is going to Elliot, also known as 944 Barn.
Cheers.